Greetings for the day. Welcome to the University of Pasadena Learning Management System. This video is a brief introduction to help us understand the learning management system. It is a e-based learning system to access all your course materials, communicate with your professor, faculty, and fellow learners, and enhance your experience with us. In order to getting started, log in into your mrooms.net using the username and the password. You will be able to log in into the LMS. The system requirements are the laptop or a desktop computer with an operating system, a latest web browser, a stable internet connection, webcam and a microphone, Office and PDF softwares. For your information, your register course will be activated in the LMS portal based on your official registration. Please make sure your course registrations are accurate. Never share your password with anyone. No one has the right or need to ask for your password. Students can change your password using Change Password options in the Profile section. Signing into the LMS portal. Log in with your username and a password. If you forget your password, click Forgotten your username and the password. Next, you will have two options. Type in your username or type in your email address and click search. You will receive an email with a temporary password. Copy your password, return to upasadena.mrooms.net login and log in with your temporary password. You will be prompted to change your password. Your new password must consist of a number, a character, and at least one capital letter. Exploring your profile. Your profile introduces you to your instructor and classmates and puts a face to a name. You can access your profile from the user menu, top right. Here you can update your basic information like first name, last name, city, country, time zone, if the site administrator permits. Dashboard. After logging into your LMS, you will be able to access your dashboard. The dashboard is a customizable page for providing user with details of their progress and upcoming deadlines. Course page. Your course will be listed in the My Course navigation block and course overview page. Your user ID is linked to the University of Pasadena, so LMS should know automatically what course you are taking and they should appear immediately on the LMS homepage. If you do not see one or all of the course you are taking, contact the IT help desk for assistance. Attending classes. On clicking classes, the content will be displayed as slides. Students can use previous and next arrow to view previous and next slides. Students can directly move specific slide by using a slide drop-down menu. Students can view it in full screen by using full screen icon and redirect to normal screen by pressing the escape key. Taking tests and quizzes. The selected course will be displayed on the screen with the number of class divided according to the chapters available. You should attend the classes chapter-wise quiz to process to the next class. Attending the quiz. The quiz option will be enabled after completing the respective classes and student can select the class quiz as portrayed. The questions will occur and you should answer the questions. The students can modify your answer before finishing because once you finish, the test could not modify it. The status will be shown on the quiz navigation, which is present in the left pane. The next class will be enabled after attending the classes one by one from the first class. Students can pass on to the further class only if the answers satisfy the requirement, which is 100%. If you complete the quiz, you can click on the Finish Review, which is at the bottom right corner, and move to your next class. The reattempt option is also available if you're not satisfied with the test. Assignment. The assignment activity module enables the teacher to communicate tasks, collect work, and provide grades and feedback. Students can submit any digital content such as word process document, spreadsheets, images, or audio and video clips. Alternatively, or in addition, the assignments may require students to type directly in the text editor. An assignment can be used to remind students of the real-world assignments they need to complete offline, such as artwork, and does not require any digital content. Students can submit the work individually or as a member of the group. When reviewing assignments, teachers can leave feedback, comments, and upload files such as marked up student submission, documents with comments, or spoken audio feedback. Assignments can be graded using numerical or custom scale or an advanced grading method such as rubric. Final grades are recorded on the gradebook. Student needs to click Add Submission. Student need to submit the assignment by online text or file submission, which is required by the course faculty. Assignment. The assignment activity module enables the teacher to communicate tasks, collect work, and provide grades and feedback. Students can submit any digital content files such as word process documents, spreadsheets, image or audio and video clips. Alternatively or in an addition, the assignments may require student to type text directly in the text editor. An assignment can also be used to remind the students of the real-world assignments they need to complete offline, such as artwork, and thus not require any digital content. Student can submit work individually or as a member of a group. When reviewing the assignments, teacher can leave a feedback and upload files such as marked up student submission, document with comment, or spoken audio feedback. Assignments can be graded using numerical or custom scale or an advanced grading method such as rubric. Final grades are recorded on the gradebook. Student need to click the Add Submission. Student need to submit the assignment by online text or file submission, which is required by the course faculty. And kindly click the Save Changes. Choose the file for submission, which is required by the course faculty. Upload the file and click on the Save Changes. And there will be two tabs for Edit Submission and Remove Submission for any further corrections. Using discussion boards. A forum is a way to have online discussion or share information with your instructor and classmate. Posting a new topic to a forum. Go to the course that has the forum you wish to access. Select the forum that you wish to add a discussion to, then scroll down to add a new discussion topic button at the bottom of the forum. Give a topic name in the subject field. Type your post in the message section. You can also upload a file to the forum with the attachment. Check your post for errors, then click the Post to Forum button at the bottom. You will have 30 minutes to edit your post after posting on the forum. Replying to a forum topic or a question. Click the name of the topic in the forum. Click the reply link at the bottom right of the post to which you want to reply. Type your post in the message section. You can change whether you are subscribed to given forum at any time by clicking the name of the forum, then clicking the subscribe, unsubscribe me from this forum link at the top right of the window. Sending a message. You can send the message using the message function to communicate with one or more individual student, with a group, or with all the course participants. Your message is delivered in a pop-up window to the recipients who are logged into the LMS at the time the message is sent, and is sent as an email to the recipient who are not logged in. Messaging is a means of communicating privately with individuals. Reading and replying to the message. When you are sent a message, the message window will pop up. All the message block will display the name of the person sending the message with a link to read the message. After reading a message, you may type a reply, then click on the Send Message button. Grade report. Students can view the course report using the below step. The final report will be displayed by clicking on your name and go to the grades and then on to the final report. Logging out. When you're done working in the LMS portal, you should log out. This is especially important if you're working on a shared computer. To log out, click on the logout link next to your name at the top or the bottom of the screen. As added precaution, close the browser. LIRN portal. To access this, go to your dashboard where you will be able to see LIRN portal, which is the gateway for the students, faculties and library staff to access your subscription resources. Researchers can access a list of available online resources along with a brief description of the resource. Click on the LIRN portal. It will redirect you to a new page where you can choose a specific topics of your search, or in order to widen your search, you can also type the keyword of the specific search topic to narrow down your search or to widen your search.